Hey guys,
welcome to the next
welcome to
video
Free
on
Tutorial TV and Python tutorial for beginners. And in this video we will talk about multiple inheritance in Python. Before we start the tutorial, I am requesting you to subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video. And don't forget to click bell icon. So first of all, what is multiple inheritance? So the ability of a class to inherit from more than one class is called multiple inheritance. And in Python, a class can inherit from more than one class. So let's see an example which shows us how to inherit from my table classes. Now I will be using this example which I have already shown you in the video, where I have shown you inheritance in Python. So that is at last call the polygon, which is a superclass. And the other two classes are triangle class and the rectangle class, which are the subclasses. And these two classes are inheriting from the polygon class. And I have also one more Python file which is main.py. And this main.py, I'm just importing these two rectangle and trying new class, and creating an instance out of them, and then setting the value of width and height. And then we are printing that area of the rectangle and the triangle. So if you haven't seen the last two videos, just watch those videos, because I will be using the same code in order to show you how to use multiple inheritance. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new Python file here. And I'm going to name my file as a shape. And I'm going to use this shape.py to create a class called shape. So let me create class quickly, and I'm going to name it the shape, and this method I'm going to define a private variable called color. And I'm going to initialize it with the value none. And then I'm going to define the setter and getter for this color attribute. So let's define those. So now we have to define the setter and getter for this color attribute. Now if you remember what I told you about in inheritance, and that is whenever you want to do inheritance between a superclass and a subclass, there is a relationship between the subclass and the superclass. So rectangle is our shape and triangle is also a shape. So that means we can also use this shape class as the superclass in the rectangle and that triangle classes. So let's use that shape class into the rectangle and triangle class as the superclass. So first of all, I'm going to import this shape class from the shape files. So let's import this, and same I will do in a triangle class also. And now how to inherit from multiple classes into our subclasses. So we have already inherited from the polygon class. And in order to add one more class here, you just need a comma separator and the name of your class. So this is how you inherit from multiple classes. You just use the parenthesis and then the name of your class is separated by a comma. That means the triangle class is inheriting from the polygon class as well as the shape class. The same we will do in the rectangle class. I will just provide the comma here, and then I will just write shape here. And now I will go to the main.py file. And once you do the multiple inheritance, that means all their public method, all of the shape class is available in the subclasses, which are triangle and the direct angle. So I can use this kind of notation. First of all, I'm going to use rectangle class to call that method called a set color. So I'm going to set color from here, and let's say the rectangle color is red. And then I'm going to use the triangle object to call the set color method once again. And the color I want to provide here is, let's say, blue. Okay. And in order to get those two color values, we can once again write the instance name, which is a rectangle.getColor. And same we will do for the triangle object also. So print triangle.getColor and that's it. So now all the public method of the shape class is also available in our rectangle and the dot triangle classes. And we can use all the public methods of this shape class into the subclasses, and let's run the code. And let's see what happens. So the code is running and you can see it prints red and blue using these two statements. So this is how you can do multiple inheritance in Python. I hope you are enjoying this video and I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Till next video, have a nice day.